In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create subfolders in Google Drive. We're going to use Google Apps Script, which lets you run small pieces of code inside your Google account to automate tasks in Drive. This is perfect when you need the same set of folders again and again, like for clients, projects, classes, or monthly reports. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. Next, create a new file to host the script. A quick way is to click New and choose Google Sheets, though any file will work. With the file open, go to the top menu, click Extensions, and then Apps Script. This opens the editor where we'll place the code that creates your subfolders. Inside the Apps Script editor, you'll see a default code file. You can clear out the placeholder code, then paste the script that I'm showing on the screen. This script is designed to create subfolders inside a specific parent folder. To tell it which folder to use, you'll replace the placeholder text for the parent folder ID. To find your parent folder's ID, open that folder in Google Drive in a separate tab. Look at the URL and copy the long string of letters and numbers that comes after folders. That's your folder ID. Go back to the script and replace the text that says your parent folder ID with your actual ID, keeping the quotes exactly as shown in the code. If the ID is wrong or incomplete, the script won't find the folder, so double check that you didn't include extra spaces or missing characters. When that's set, click Save in the Apps Script editor and give the project a name if prompted. Then click Run. The first time you run it, Google will ask for permission because the script needs access to your drive. Review the prompts, select your account, and allow the permissions so the script can create folders on your behalf. Only proceed if you trust the source of the script and understand what it does. After the script finishes, switch back to Google Drive and open your parent folder. You should see the newly created subfolders appear there. If you don't see them, refresh the page and check again. If nothing appears, return to the Apps Script editor to review the execution messages and confirm that the folder ID and script text are correct. You can adjust the list of subfolder names inside the script to match your needs, and you can run the script again whenever you need the same structure. That's it. You opened Drive, launched Apps Script from a file, pasted the script, set your parent folder ID, saved, and ran it to automatically build your subfolders.